This is the Claire topper from UniWigs. She has 4 clips and a 5.5 by a 5.5 base. And you can see right here, this material is different. This is what they call the monofilament top or mono top. And that just makes it easier for you to part your hair and make it look more natural. It's 14 inches, it's in truffle brown. You can see I just styled her. And I wanted to show you how different she looks in different lights. Like you can see it's like this really gorgeous, rich brown. It almost like has red, like a red tint to it. But you can see this is kind of like your fluorescent lighting. This is the, well, actually this is even more fluorescent lighting. I would say before it was like more natural lighting. And then here's what's considered your like outside daytime lighting. And the color just in all of the lights look gorgeous. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to put her on. Like I said, she has 4 clips and she comes with a halo wire. So at the top you have hooks and you're going to attach your halo wire to your hooks. And when you put it on, the easiest is to put your hair up in a ponytail and put it low down. And then I'm going to put some of my hair from the front out to make it, to blend it with my wig topper. All right, so you put it on, have your halo wire go behind you, underneath your hair, and then you can flip it up. Kind of line her up with my part underneath and pull out my hair that I left. And I'm gonna clip it in. I'm going to blend my bio hair with my topper, and I'll show you how I do that. I use that hair that I left out, and I'm gonna kind of sweep it up and back, up and back. So right here on my widow's peak, I also have some hair thinning there. So I'm gonna use the hair fibers that UniWig has. And it just helps, if you don't have this, you can use a brown eyeshadow. You can find a brown that matches with your hair. And I'm just gonna spray some of this in here so that it blends better with my topper. And then I'm gonna kind of just dust it with my finger. Blend it. And then I'm gonna take out my hair clip or ponytail from the back. Now, when you're brushing in the back, just be careful that you don't brush your halo wire. There she is. Yeah, this is what's considered like a small to medium amount of density. It's 120%. So even though you're used to having fine or thin hair, when you add this, it doesn't make it feel like you've added a mop to your head. It just feels like it's your hair. You know, it's not super thick, which I love.